You have to partner and spend for those who really need it.
Hey guys, as I was saying, I've been gifted Samsung S7, but it's knocked out badly. But it's working though, and the owner said so what I'm going to do today, I'm going to figure out, guys, how to, because when I look here, there is no power up, volume up, but the buttons I believe are working. See, volume down, when I press there with something goes up, because I need that button to remove to reset the phone. So I'm gonna press volume down, power key, and then I don't know, yeah, like this, and then like this. I'm first put the, yeah, if I put the cable and then volume down and then power key, it may help me. And then I release the power key. Okay, let's do it again. Then you just press volume down and power key, volume down and power key, and keep on tapping here so I can know if it's switching off. Alright, release power button, keep on holding volume down. Oh yes, this is what I wanted to see. Then guys, it's raining, so let's take these raindrops as sound effects. I hope you find it interesting. So now I need my other hand here, my other hand there, and then this one of course there. So I'm going to put the pin here, press and hold, and then power key, and keep on holding, release power key, and keep on pressing that silver thing. Oh yes, oh yes.
She got me calling her. She got me testing her. She gave me a reason why I'm calling her.
First, we'll be using SamFlash, SamFW Tool 4.9. We'll be using SamFW 4.9. So I need to press volume and I need to press power and volume up, power, volume up, and wait a minute. Let me press, yeah. So volume down to select. Yes. And then I come to white cache petition. Yes. And then reboot system now.
You have to partner and spend for those who really need it. I've been trying to tell her I'm on a mission, get it. She been trying to tell me, baby, come better get it. So I had to stop what I was doing and let her ride it. Just the reason why I'm prepared to read it like this. Tracks across the city and get some branders. Let it do what it do just to bribe it. Don't forget to do this, you savvy. Never give it to another nigga, keep it private. Welcome to my routine, make it go crazy. Ladies in the club, hands up and then you lose it. Gents in the house, now it's time to surprise She got me calling her. She got me testing her. She gave me a reason why I'm balling her. I'm in positions if in juice. Now like killer born I did choose. Never get too strong, just for me too. Give me a break, I need to breathe. Can you stop with the blah blah? I'm losing moods, can you shift a little bit? I need to move, I'm here to make money. I know you're here to lose. Maraguya Farah, my lady, she needs some booze. So let's jive, sing a judge, I know we're here to lose it. Now it's time to battle risk, he approve it. Lose the fall and lose yourself, lose it to the radio. Tell DJ pump it up and pass it up. She got me calling her. She got me testing her. She gave me a reason why I'm balling her. I fall in love with the radio, stereo. Then I fall in love with the lady in the radio. She's the one I've been saying, she's like fucking telegram. I make her ring every morning like a telephone. She got my neighbors thinking maybe I got a larger dick. I hope you see now why I'm trying to settle down. Maybe I'm thinking much, your body is taking over. My mind, my body is all yours now. I figure it, you got a talent to blow things, girl. When I need you for your job, you better be there. I'm making my.
Okay guys, now we are inside. Let's proceed to our next step. Okay, we're getting this message again. I'm sure you're familiar with this message. Let me just zoom it in a little bit. That's the message there. Alright, now let's connect to our Wi-Fi. Checking for top updates. This may take minutes, just a second. Alright, this is the message that we are getting. So which means let's see if we can enable it in mode. Alright, now that we are on our tool here, what we need to do, of course, we have connected our phone to Wi-Fi, and you come to your SamFW Tool. SamFW Tool, if you want it, there is a video on the description. There you will find the link where to get this tool. This tool is free. So the first attempt is to remove security older than August 2022. So anything older than that, we're gonna use this first option. But on this phone I'm not sure, so we're gonna use the second one. This one works at all phones most of the time, but not all. Some that are on 2023 you cannot use. Every update that is on 2023 cannot be bypassed or cannot be removed FRP using any of these second and third option. Instead you can use online, but at this moment paid services are offline. I don't know why. So now let's begin. Normal mode. Now there must be a pop-up message that says enable ABD. I wonder why it's taking long.
Bona mama. Bora para essa chupinho.
Eita,
Vamos para essa quando.
Ukraine mfana.
Okay.
Ukraine mina.
Ngihlala ngizokhuluma nawe ngefoni.
Okay, so now I need to press star H 0H. I mean star. Yeah, you saw. And then we set already open test mode. And we wait. Okay, press OK. Samsung Galaxy S7, it's removing. Alright, that's it guys, and that's it for this site. Now let's verify here. Let's verify. Allow. Voila. Now my Samsung S7 is open. The only thing that I need to do is to find covers and see if I can replace that, and then can replace the touch also, because the LCD is fine. This one you can get the top glass. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.